quick cuts, catchy music, and captivating visuals to make it engaging from the beginning. Use popular songs and soundbites. Music plays a significant role on TikTok. Utilize popular songs or soundbites that align with the mood or theme of your video. Memorable audio can make your content more shareable. Create a strong hook. Capture viewers' attention within the first few seconds. Use an intriguing visual, pose a question, or present a surprising moment to encourage people to keep watching. Add captions and text overlays. Use captions and text overlays to make your video more accessible and understandable, especially if your content relies heavily on audio. Leverage hashtags. Research and include relevant hashtags in your video's caption. This can help your content reach a wider audience and potentially get featured in the Discover section or relevant hashtag challenges. Participate in challenges and trends. Jumping on existing challenges and trends can boost your chances of going viral. Put your unique spin on a popular challenge or create your own, but ensure it aligns with your brand or message. Engage with the TikTok community. Interact with other TikTok creators by leaving comments, engaging with their content, and collaborating on videos. Building connections and participating in the community can help